Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forwarding from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And you don't know the things said, people. Few updates for y'all. First, Intense is now in relations with Tommy Lee Sparta, super groupie. The streets is saying. But we gotta put respect on homegirl's name, you know what I mean? Also, Gaza fans are not pleased with Shitwater, Eyewater, put respect on Eyewater's name, you know what I mean? But Gaza fans are not pleased with the fifth hand bends he's using to stun on people. And in fact, they question whether it's really his. So they want him to do the Gold God Challenge. And we all know what the Gold God Challenge is. Yeah. Show your name on the piece of paper. You see me, I said. And also, I'm going to give you my take on this, I don't want to call it an interview because it wasn't an interview. It was basically a sellout thing, Just Make a Boy got the questions beforehand from the health minister. So they can trick, dunce black people. As Just Make a Boy calls it, you people are dunce. Because in the truth, health over wealth. But yeah, we'll get into what was said and what I need to know because Jah know people, Jah know. I'm not gonna lie to you. If sellout was a person in the dictionary, that monkey looking boy there, then in the middle, yeah, the troll looking one, him will be the picture of it, But yeah, let's get to the tea first, cause that's no one know, no one see. So me there check my DM like I rarely do, and boom, this what I see. Hey, King Mix Up had my ID. What a weird Tommy Lee groupie girl named Sasha from New York, an intense day. No sir, them girl yeah they love tech man like board host tech nail tag rebel there. And we all know who Sasha is. She was the one that got the tattoo of Tommy Lee all over her breast. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. As you can see, Tommy Lee, the love she, Yeah. Word on the street is that, I think she was gonna get him a visa or citizenship or, Sasha a good girl, people. We have to put respect on Sasha name, you know what I mean? Sasha forward from Jamaica, New York, Jamaica. I be a bad man she date. You see me I say I be a top man. Sasha date. You see what I'm saying? So I don't think it's a good idea for be tagging Rebel and all of these things. I don't think Rebel wants smoke with Sasha. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, people, as you can see, Tommy Lee is not here no more. And obviously, Tommy Lee and she done split up long time. You see me I said? Well, I don't know still, because I don't know people bedroom business, is it? And thing. And now they're saying that she's with Intense. I don't know if she's pregnant. I don't know if she had a baby, but me get a picture with some baby foot in the DM as well. But yes, as you can see, this is Sasha and this is Intense. Now let me show you the proof that they're fucking. As you can see, him say only top girl him fuck. Boss type. You see me asking? And she said, and the friend there with the big nose was. So I don't know if Intense asleep with was too. Well, I mean, I don't know, people, but this is the thing that them said for tag the two. So let's see who these is. See who these people is. I'm gonna put this on my IG anyway, so the people in the comment section run saga let me know what I want. But if you don't know what I want, put in the comment section. Run yes sir. But one thing with Intense, him not have no it. Yet him still relevant. It's a good look. It's a good look, people. It's a good look. Now, the other day, dancehall artist Eyewater tried to stunt on Vybz Kartel, Local Addy and Local Vibes, and the rest of the Gaza Nation and people them out there. But one thing I know, when you always show off, you always flap yourself. And now the people them is asking questions. They want to see proof of purchase, first of all. Like how Gold God showed proof of film purchase. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, and don't act like you're not listening to me, because I mean make you end up by the Benz. You see me, I said, no, the people them want to prove, them want to see the title. Them want to see how much you pay for it. Them want to see your name on it. Them want to see the year they make, like, you know what I mean? They want to see why you showing off with a fifth hand Benz with a S5. You see me, I say, with crocodile interior and special wood grain. You feel me? And you got the basic Japanese joint. Like, this is why you shouldn't show off for people, and you shouldn't live for people, and you shouldn't live for social media, you know. You see me, I said, I mean, I don't know which rapper said it, but he was like, yo, I own my vehicle. Shit, you ask most of these rappers, they name not even on the title. You feel what I'm saying? So they want you to do the Gold God Challenge and provide proof of purchase with your name on the, you know, and they want to see your title and everything insured and registered to you. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so let's proceed, because we don't even want to tarry too long, you know. And now, people, the live I see Dressmaker Boy do with Tough Dan yesterday was so disgusting, man. Like, I actually witnessed the devils leading my people astray. And I see on the crucified Buju Banton and the praise this individual who doesn't like black women. We've seen the disrespect he gives them in America. So imagine the disrespect, like he said, if this was Jamaica. But let me run this into and then we'll proceed.
At the end of the day, people, watch how the world go. No matter what we want to say and go on like a big and bad, world power, world order, run things. So you see if the government them come up and go so now and say to we say, yo, you can't fly without the vaccine. What we are going to do? Turn away yard? You can't go in a public place without the vaccine. What we are going to do? Come on, man. At the end of the day, it's fine. You don't want to do it, fine. But if the whole world come together right now and go so and say, yo, watch what me I say. If you don't have a vaccine, you can't fly, you can't travel, you can't this, you can't that. What are you going to do? And then now the whole are going to run, go kill up on themselves with vaccine. Because why? Them say that's the rule and regulation.
People, let's just stop it right there. What's this world order business? See what I'm saying? It look like somebody get Page and offer a deal. You either join us and sell out to poor black people, or you know what's gonna happen, because let's be honest, Jamaica is not running like a democracy. Y'all ain't got no rights. You don't even know what rights to fight for. You see me, I say? We don't even know what rights in the other rascal. You see what I'm saying? Look how Jamaica is running right now. Look how these people is talking. You know what I mean? One of the most important thing I heard from that live, he said, was people, the politician them, is in power. Them I run the things. Nah, pussy hole. The people put the politician in power. The people have the power. Stop tricking the people. That's why you're calling them duns, because you have a bunch of duns followers. People, let's proceed. Because Andrew Holness is not. That he's a dictator like Hitler. You feel me? A Muslim.
I get a little secret, Mr. Tufton. You say if you want them to take a vaccine, just tell them, say, you gotta give them one card when them take the vaccine. And anybody who have the card there, we can keep party. And everybody. Yeah?
I was waiting on you to come with that, you know.
Yeah. Listen, man. All they have to do, we just open up the arena and we're there.
Yeah.
But me I tell you, it's good. But when we reach us now, when we reach and pass the rule, like I know my prime minister gonna say, yeah man, when you get your vaccine, you can go party. We don't have enough vaccine for you all away.
People, me no wanting to think that Dressmaker Boy was joking when he was running that little joke. You know, these people are on some serious business. This was a pre-rehearsed interview. Dressmaker Boy was given these questions to ask. That's why Prime Minister Boy was responding so fluently. It was well rehearsed. You even see Dressmaker Boy looking on the screen and all of these things. This is exactly what they said around these meetings. Now this are going. It's either this or the other. You know, we don't have no choice. These are ultimatums. You feel what I'm saying? And they're using dancehall because dancehall is poor people thing. The majority of people in Jamaica is poor people. You know what I mean? They're holding on a hostage and giving, because them know them know them can get black people with chicken, alcohol, and loud music.
I see a light at the end of the tunnel. You know, as leaders, and you're a leader. And don't ever forget that. I am a leader, you're a leader in our own right. We have to recognize that we have a responsibility, a bigger role, where we must make our followers them appreciate what is right and what is important. And in the case of the vaccine, we have a big part to play to promote doing the right thing.
Because every day them get up, them cost the government, them cost the police, them cost you. But at the end of the Jamaican people, me there, you can't cost me to because I care zero because I'm a very straight up person. But when you keep on a little party, when you do a little thing, fine. Even if it's illegal, we don't say we do it. But if you don't do it, still wearing a mask because I'm still seeing people on the road without masks. Me still go places and see people without masks. Me still see police are lock up people without masks. So at the end of the day, we still have to help the country. The Prime Minister, Mr. Tufton, and everybody.
You can fool some people sometime, but you can't fool the people them all the time. People, once again, the politician and boys using the people them in the industry to trick poor people out of them rights and them life. You feel what I'm saying? One thing Mr. Tufton said on the live, he said, we need people like you, dressmaker boy, to talk to people like we. What kind of argument that? Because if we the people putting you in office, why una can't talk to we? You see the separation? You see the separation and them like call people dunce. I got my college degree, so I know the one of the dunce one them I talk about. You feel what I'm saying? But let's proceed.
Yeah, man, and thanks for coming on and sharing a lot. Even me myself learn a lot. I hope the people them learn a lot and them just come out of this dunce mentality. At the end of the day, we are human beings. There's always three sides to a story, the right one, my one, and your one. So people just choose what they want to do, but just stop bashing it. If the country saying do your vaccine, do your vaccine. If you don't agree with it, just stay out of it and stop bashing it and spreading negativity. Because at the end of the day, even we just looking upon this now. How the world are going to go better if the virus dead? The only thing can help you know the vaccine. Only thing.
Yo, I found it very disrespectful. He keep on calling my people dunce, man. And you know the education system not good in Jamaica. Them not teaching or nothing. So you can't wrong black people for one question thing. I see people in the essential working world have differences on these things, and most of them take these shots because of money. Survival, you know what I mean? And if it was up to them, they wouldn't do it. And you have some of them just do it because they want to do it and them feel say it's right and all of these things. So you can't wrong the people them for questioning. Because let's be honest, people. Dressmaker boy is an Indian boy. He's not African. You know what I mean? Look how much thing them do to wear, as you can see on the screen. The Tuskegee experiment, the infamous syphilis study. You know what I mean? Where they took over 600 African American men in Alabama that we know about. They telling us 600. It could be 6,000 or 60 blood clot thousand, 600,000. And they ran an experiment on them and gave them free Medicaid and if you're dead, then bury you and all these things, But they didn't know what kind of injection they was getting. They didn't know that they was getting injected with syphilis. So if a 600 men or 60,000 men get infected with syphilis, how many women got infected with that? How many men got infected with that? You know what I mean? Because probably some of them are some chichi. Not everybody is here is about the money, you know what I mean? People choose health over wealth all the time. Health over wealth. Dressmaker boy, you was a bummy motherfucking bitch from day one. Look at you. That's why you walking around with a designer body. You feel what I'm saying? So you quick to sell out for a mother effing buck. You know what I mean? So don't ever call my people dunce and don't ever say that the politician them is in power and them run things. The people them run things. People them need to get up and wake up and only run blood clot things. You see what I'm saying? F out of here. But people need one tell it too long, because the video get long and things. But if you like these types of reasonings, you want more, hit the like button. Yeah, if those who are new to the channel, please hit the like button. If you're not there from day one and don't know the thing, hit the like as well, you know. Yeah, because we're trying to get these types of arguments, these types of things to a broader audience. And we need to hit the like button and start sharing and things. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, and don't forget to you know about Intense and the other things that I update, you see me? And subscribe and hit the notification bell and press all, because around here so you get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews and gossips. Bless.